we've got different leads. Have you got any explanation? Do you have the first one? I mean, do you have the real life? They're going to be just like that. Yeah? They are not going to be like that. See any holes on it? Because the holes are hands that are...
Yeah, but when we choose mass instead of moles or instead of atoms, we can talk about atoms, or we can convert everything to moles.
0.0 moles, 0.0 and some numbers.
Factors, any volunteer to do this conversion factor?
Today in this practice we are going to examine insects in general. Remind you that insects are divided.
Now we are going to do a practice measuring the kinetic energy. We have to know the height of this drum. She is going to calculate the time between the 0.2 and the 0.3. That is next.
Follows here and the armpit, you can breathe, you've got fever, you've got pain everywhere. So they start to see this everywhere. Yes, you can use it.
Però primer va això.